the inner parts of the jets as those jets
Yay,
interact with
good
the cosmic
girl.
rays,
Go get your
which once
num-nums.
again confirm the existence of cosmic rays inside the astrophysical jets. But how exactly the gamma
Yeah,
rays are
we'll
produced
get
and
it.
what is happening inside a jet is, of course, one of the
Brave
mysteries
girl.
that the
Go on.
scientists are hoping is going to be solved when other teams join in and use the data released
Yay,
very recently to
Pickles.
try
Num
to
num num
come up
num.
with some interesting explanation
Go get
and
your
some
yum-yums.
interesting theory. For now, I think it's just going to be a mystery. But overall, all
I'm
these
just gonna chill
observations
there
are
for a
actually
minute.
kind of mind-blowing.
I
I
don't tell
believe
you
this
what to
was
do.
conducted by something like 32 different countries, and approximately 800 scientists participated in all of this.
Stubborn
All of
girl.
them had to work at the same time. They had to
Well,
basically
go
come
on.
up
Go
with
get
data
it.
that would correspond to observations from other telescopes,
Go
and
get
then
your
they had to
num-nums, Pickles.
combine all of this into a single
Yum,
study.
yum, yum, yum,
And
yum, yum.
that's a lot of work. But it's been done, and now we'll have a better picture of all of this, and hopefully some answers in the future.
She's almost there. We're almost there, Pickles. Go get it.
When it comes to black holes, I've always been fascinated by the idea that, in theory, astrophysicists are able to
Go
predict
ahead.
what they actually look
Oh,
like
she's getting
way
scared.
before we can even see them. As a matter of fact, even though the first black
Ooh,
hole
woohoo,
picture
Pickles.
ever was released in
Yay.
2019, the original
Woohoo.
simulation showing
Yay.
us what black holes might look like, which
Woohoo.
is this beautiful image you
Good
see on screen,
girl. Yay,
was originally
Pickles.
produced literally 40 years prior, back in
Yeah.
1979,
Good
by
girl.
the relatively
Where
famous
are you
French
going?
astronomer
Oh,
Jean-Pierre
gotta
Lumiere.
protect the nest
And
because baby
interestingly, this
bird came
first
back
computer
in.
simulation was produced by
Yep,
nothing
and
more
there she
but
goes
a
trying to
really early
land.
computer and a bunch of ink. Now, 40 years
Yep.
later, we finally have a confirmation of his ideas, but obviously there were some inconsistencies, and you can actually find out more about Lumiere and
Foiled
his
by the little
creation
one again.
along with some of the